Okay, I have not started stitching it, but right now I have counted it out. So what I've done is the white part is going to be highlighted, and then the orange is going to be the green part. Okay, on this part of the Noel. So I've learned that there are 19 stitches across this away. So what you'll do is you'll do 19 stitches across. Once you get those 19 stitches across, you're going to go up. So you're going to have 4 rows. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of 19. Okay, so here's our 19 right here. And so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4. And then what I did is I came down here and I broke it down so you can see where to start the letter L. So we're going to go over 6 spaces, and then the L is 9 long. So you'll skip over 6 stitches. So what you're going to do, what that means is you're going to go, there you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're going to start the L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then once you do those 9, then you're going to have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as you can see here, that's what I've done. Okay. Okay. And then you're going to go up and down here is 10. So you're going to stitch up 10, and this is going to be 4. So in the L, you're going to stitch up 10 and only do 4. Then you're going to skip 4 rows. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's when you're going to start your E. Then you're going to come over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then you'll start the E. And that's what you have here. Your E. It's going to be 9 over. Okay, and then here is 10. So this is going to be 10 right here. And I kind of goofed right here, so I apologize for that. And as you can see, it's 9. So this is 9 stitches. This is going to be 2 stitches. That's going to be 2 stitches. And that's 1 stitch. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes the E. So here you have the E. So here's the E. Then there's the 2 stitches and the 1. And then you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And then you have 1, 2, 3 here. And don't worry about the back, because once you do the white, it will cover it up, or you can do the white and the green together. It just depends on how you want to do it. Now remember, we're going to skip 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go to the O. So your O is going to be a little bit weird. So see how you have your E. So your O is a little bit smaller. So what you're going to do is when you see this stitch on the E, you're going to count up 4, and that's where you're going to start your first row of O. So you'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll do your green stitch, and you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's only going to be 5. Then you're going to go up 1, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then this one's going to be a shorter row. Now remember, at an angle, it's going to look different. So that's why I'm going to come over here and show you this one. Okay, so we're going to come up from the E, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start here. So you have 1, 2, sorry, hard to focus. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then you're going to start up at an angle, and you're going to make this row here and this row here. See that? And then it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one's going to be 9. And then you're going to go back over this way, come down 9, So the O is a little bit smaller than the other letters, and the middle should be 4. Okay. So that's what you've got here. Then we're going to go up 4 more and do the N. The N kind of looks like an H, but it's just the way the stitching goes. So on here, this is going to be 4, and this is going to be 10, and this is going to be 4. Okay? And then here's our N. So now that we've gone up 1, 2, 3, 4, and we stitched 4 white rows, you see how your O starts here? So you'll go all the way up on that 4th row and start over 1. So you'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 white ones, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to go all the way up 10. And then you're going to do 4 and 4. I would do this last so you don't get confused. And then in between, you're going to have your 2 white ones, and then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then when you get to this row, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, stitch a green. Then you do 1 white, 1 green, 2 whites. Then here you'll do 1 white, 1 green, 2 whites. And then you'll do 1, 2, 3, and then a green. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2. And that's going to kind of make your N. So I'm hoping this is easy for you to follow. I'm praying this was the best way I could figure out how to do it. So you're going to skip your 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, from the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. So this is your N. And then you're going to skip 4 spaces. This is your O. And then you're going to skip 4 more spaces. This is your E. And then this is your L. Okay? Now my advice for the beginners is I would go ahead and do my 19 here and do 4 rows. And then I would do 4 rows up here because the common is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the way up to about the 4th row up, I would go ahead and do 4 white rows over. So you do 19, 19, 19, and 19. And then what I would do is 4 rows, and then I would just stitch up as far as I thought I might need to go. And then I would do this side the same way, 4 rows, and go up that way. And then that way you've kind of got here and here solid white, so then it'll help you with your counting, because you can use this as your counting for doing the green. If that makes sense, what I'm saying. I would stitch the 4 rows here. I just stitch a couple rows here and a couple rows up here, and then that way you could do your E. Then once the E's done, you can fill it in with the white, do your 4 rows. Do your E. When it's done, fill it all in, and then do your 4 rows. And then each time, stitch up a little further on the sides to help balance out instead of trying to count every single row, because that's really going to make it difficult. So that's what my advice is. Start off doing 4 rows, and then 4 rows this way and 4 rows this way. So you'll do 4 this way, 4 this way, and then 4 this way. And then start with your L, then your E, then your O, and then your N. Then once you get this 4th row done, I'm going to show you how to do the tree.